Well, funny little thing that I saw on Twitter as I'm recording this, literally a minute ago. We have a kind of teaser for the Triumph 450, which is this right here. And it's kind of weird when you actually think about it now, because what are they doing? Because, well, they just let Sabachi go to whatever team, and why not keep him? If you're going to have the 450 ready, or at least announce it in October or next month, which means it's probably going to be ready for next year. So why not? Or is it not going to be ready for next year? Is this one of those things that they're going to be like, hey, look, our 450, it'll probably be out in 26. It's just kind of a strange thing that why would you let the guy go who wanted to race a 450 but couldn't because you didn't have one? Now you're announcing it like 3 weeks or 2 weeks later after letting him go. The question is too, how well are they going to bottle this? How long are they going to stretch this out like they did with the 250 thing? With like, oh, we're going to show you the forks today, and then 2 weeks later we're going to show you part of the frame. Who knows? It's just a question of one. Now, what do they do? Obviously, the rumor is Faulkner maybe signing with them for next year, and his supposed plan was 250 and then or 1 year 250, maybe win the title, defend it if he does, if not go to 450 the year after that. So now the question becomes, maybe this is actually working out for him. If that's what he wanted to do and that's how it's going to work, this might be perfect. um I don't know, it's kind of one of those funny things that we're going to see how this goes. But I guess comment down below, you guys tell me, do you think the Faulkner thing's real? Are you excited for this? um I don't know, whatever it is, comment whatever you want. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.